Welcome to the Korean lesson for beginners. In this segment, we will learn to express sentences in a situation where someone offers you food to eat. But first, we will start with some basic vocabulary.
먹다,
Which means to eat.
먹다, 먹다. 잘 먹다,
Which means eat well.
잘 먹다, 잘 먹다. 잘 먹겠습니다,
Which means I will eat well.
잘 먹겠습니다, 잘 먹겠습니다.
This sentence is used immediately after someone offers you something to eat, especially an elaborate meal. From here on, we will only learn those sentences which are most essential for the situations. Sometimes, formal speech would be ideal. At other times, standard speech is also acceptable. Just to make sure that the sentences are applicable for people of different backgrounds.
먹었다,
Which means ate. It is an expression in past tense.
먹었다, 먹었다. 잘 먹었다,
Which means ate well.
잘 먹었다, 잘 먹었다. 잘 먹었습니다,
Which means I ate well.
잘 먹었습니다, 잘 먹었습니다.
This expression is used after you finish the meal served by the host. This is a token of appreciation for the delicious food which was served to you.
많이 드세요,
Which means enjoy your meal.
많이 드세요, 많이 드세요.
It can also mean eat sufficiently to your heart's content without any worries. This expression shows great hospitality of the host.
정말,
Which means really or very much.
정말, 정말.
It helps give more intensity to the adjective.
음식,
Which means food.
음식, 음식. 맛있어요,
Which means it is delicious.
맛있어요, 맛있어요.
This expression can be used to describe both food and beverage. Finally, we will start with building conversations based on the vocabulary we just learnt. This is a conversation between you and your Korean friend's mother. You are overwhelmed by the great hospitality shown by her. As you sit down to eat the meal served by her, you say,
잘 먹겠습니다.
She is impressed by your ability to speak Korean and replies.
많이 드세요,
Listening to those words make you feel more at home, which makes you say,
정말 감사합니다.
Warmed by your gratitude, she replies.
아니에요.
We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
잘 먹겠습니다. 많이 드세요. 정말 감사합니다. 아니에요.
After you have finished your meal, the Korean friend's mother asks you.
음식은 맛있어요.
You are just impressed by her cooking skills and reply emphatically.
음식이 맛있어요. 잘 먹었습니다.
She is glad to know that you loved her cooking and replies.
네, 맛있게 드셔서 좋습니다.
We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
음식은 맛있어요. 음식이 맛있어요. 잘 먹었습니다. 네, 맛있게 드셔서 좋습니다.
The last sentence translates to, "You're welcome, I am glad to know you enjoyed delicious food." Acknowledging someone for their compliment. Thank you for the patient learning. Most expressions which we dealt with in this lesson were either standard or formal expression. However, to know different levels of speech will make the learning process for a beginner more complicated. Hence, it is convenient to learn one form of speech, which will work out for all situations. The important part is to not make anyone feel uncomfortable by using casual speech. Stay tuned for more updates. If there are any queries regarding the Korean lesson, please feel free to ask questions in the comments section.